Hello dear students, myself Professor Mishramka Sunitra from JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College, Department of English, Maligaon. The topic of my presentation is types of novel. Novel is a genre of literature. This term novel was not used until the end of 18th century. An English translation of Italian word novella means novel. The French word is novelli. So this term is derived from the word novella or novelli. In English it is called as novel. It is used to describe a short, compact, broadly realistic tale popular during the medieval period. The desire to depict and entertain the human character is the main purpose behind novel. It is deeper perception of life and its problem. Now, if you focus on the definition of novel, Oxford Dictionary defines novel as a fictitious prose narrative of considerable length in which characters and actions representative of real life are portrayed in a plot of more or less complexity. So dear students, from this definition, we can say that there are some important elements in novel. The first element is plot. Plot tells what happens in the story. Another important element is characters, means who is involved and what happens in the story. Another element is point of view, means how the story is told. Then setting, means when and where the story takes place. And lastly, the novelist's criticism, the interpretation or philosophy of the writer. So these are major elements of novel. Now, what were the reasons for the rise of novel? The most important reason was the increase of reading public in the Augustan age. Now there were some reasons behind it. That first was the growing importance of middle class people, the individual's trust in his own abilities, and the practice of reason and self-analysis. So here it gave way to the rise of novel. Most readers were middle class women. They enjoyed novel reading. They used to borrow books from the circulating libraries. In those days, circulating libraries were famous and middle class women used to get books from those circulating libraries. Now, major types of novel. The major types of novels are epistolary novel, picaresque novel, experimental novel, novel of manners, sentimental novel, gothic novel, historical novel, social realism, that means social realistic novel, psychological novel. Psychological novel is also called as stream of consciousness novel. Now if we focus on epistolary novel, epistolary novel is the novel in which the narrative is told in letters by one or more of the characters. So epistle means letter, and in epistolary novel the story is narrated through letters. This novel allows author to present feelings and reactions of characters. Furthermore, it allows multiple points of view and it focuses psychological realism. The first epistolary novel was written by Samuel Richardson in 1740. He wrote Pamela or the Virtue Rewarded in 1740. So that novel is epistolary novel. Another epistolary novel is written by Richardson in 1748, that is Clarissa. Another type of novel is picaresque novel. This term picaresque is derived from Spanish word picaro, means rogue, or in our language we can call a gunda, badmash. A picaro is usually a person who is having some evil traits. Picaresque novel is usually autobiographical chronicle of a rascal's travels and adventures. He makes his way through the world more by wits than industry. Picaresque novel is episodic novel. It has loose structure and usually it is written in first person narrative. Cervantes' Don Quixote is an example of picaresque novel. Then Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe and Moll Flanders are some more examples of picaresque novel. One more novel written by Henry Fielding, Joseph Andrews, is considered as picaresque novel. Henry Fielding wrote Chamelia in 1741, Joseph Andrews in 1742, and Tom Jones in 1749. Therefore, he is called as master of picaresque novel. Along with him, Sir Walter Scott and Tobias Smollett also wrote picaresque novel. Sir Walter Smollett wrote the novels which are considered as picaresque novel. Even the contemporary of Henry Fielding, Tobias Smollett, wrote Roderick Random in 1748 and Peregrine Pickle in 1751. Now these novels are different in his humor. They are having realistic style and dry sense of humor. The comedic misadventure of an unscrupulous vagabond is presented in picaresque novel. Another type of novel is experimental novel. And Lawrence Sterne wrote experimental novel. Tristram Shandy is an example of experimental novel. It is one of the greatest comic novels in English. It has rambling plot, muddling and maddening third-person narration. There are so many digressions, and these digressions are also important. And furthermore, so many modern devices are used in experimental novel, such as stream of consciousness technique is used, self-reflection is used. Furthermore, some modern techniques are used in experimental novel. Experimental novel is also called as meta-novel. Another type of novel is sentimental novel. Sentimental novel is heightened emotional response to events. The self-indulgence and elevated feelings of hero are presented in sentimental novel. Conventional situations are pictured. The characters are stock characters. The writer uses some rhetorical devices. Oliver Goldsmith's The Vicar of the Wakefield is an example of sentimental novel. Oliver Goldsmith wrote only one novel, and that is The Vicar of Wakefield, and it is a kind of autobiography of the vicar. So that novel is sentimental novel. Emotions, it started as superior to reason, and sentimental novel is extremely moral and didactic novel. Another type of novel is Gothic novel. It has magic, mystery and horror. It has some exotic setting, so that may be a medieval setting or oriental setting. Horace Walpole's The Castle of Otranto, written in 1764, is an example of Gothic novel. The Guides of Translated Lost Manuscript on the Day of Wedding is the theme of that novel. Gothic novel has fantastic romance. It has blend of two kinds of romance, ancient and modern. Another type of novel is historical novel. The novel that reconstructs past age is considered or is called as historical novel. Fictional characters are presented in historical novel. These fictional characters interact with historical figures in actual events. Sir Walter Scott is called as father of historical novel. The Waverley novel and Ivanhoe are examples of historical novel. The social realism or social realistic novel is another example of novel. Social or sociological novels deal with the nature, function, and effect of society which the characters inhabit. Means these characters present the society to which they belong. Now, for the purpose of effective reform, these characters represent their society, and through these characters, the novelist tries to bring changes or reforms in the society. Social issues are dealt in social or sociological novels. Social issues came to forefront with the condition of laborers in Industrial Revolution and later in the era of depression also. So, those social issues are presented in sociological novels. Charles Dickens's Hard Times or Gaskell's Mary Burton, Eliot's Middlemarch or John Steinbeck's Grapes of Wrath are examples of sociological novels. Slavery and race issues arose in American social novels, and the example is Stowe's Uncle Tom's Cabin. So these are some examples of sociological novel. Another important type of novel is stream of consciousness novel. It is a modern type of novel, modernist novel it is called. The narration that mimics the ebb and flow of thoughts of the waking mind of the character is called as stream of consciousness novel. Uninhibited by grammar, syntax or logical transition are the main features of stream of consciousness novel. It is a mixture of all levels of awareness: sensations, thoughts, memories, associations, reflections, etc. The writer gives emphasis on how something is perceived rather than what is perceived. The major novelists of stream of consciousness novel are James Joyce, Dorothy Richardson, Virginia Woolf, Thomas Wolfe, and William Faulkner. Ulysses is considered as masterpiece of stream of consciousness novel. James Joyce's The Dubliner, Portrait of an Artist, or Finnegan's Wake and Ulysses are the examples of stream of consciousness novel. Virginia Woolf's To the Lighthouse, The Waves, Mrs. Dalloway, and Orlando are the examples of stream of consciousness novel. So dear students, in this presentation we have seen the major types of novel. Thank you.